Happy Thursday Throwdown. This is for our high school students, and we're going to take a look at the high school lyrical exercise, the first, second, third, and the beginning of the fourth measure, segment 1, if you're following on your 5-Star Music Academy 16-week plan. As you prepare this segment of the high school lyrical exercise, let me encourage you to take time to execute all of the arpeggios and large leaps accurately. Move your fingers with precision and confidence. Play the high D with a lovely covered sound. Think we as you go up to the top. And as you come down to the bottom and decrescendo down to the A, play with a nice covered warm round sound. Now let's take a look at this grace note at the beginning of measure 4. You're playing an A, and then you have a rapid C, B flat, A. The A should land right on beat 2. The C and the B flat are not the main attraction, they're just an embellishment. So don't blow too hard on that. It helps we have a decrescendo through this measure. Check it out. Hear that one more time. Let's try the whole segment together, nice and slow. 1, ready. I would love to help you get ready for your All-State audition. Use the link below and the code KICKSTART to save $15 on our high school clarinet course. Let me help you get ready for your next big audition.